In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all events on Google Calendar. If you want to completely clear a calendar and remove every event from it, the quickest way to do that is through the calendar's settings on a computer. This method is useful when you no longer need an old calendar, when you want to start fresh, or when you've filled a calendar with test events and want to wipe everything at once. Just keep in mind that deleting a calendar removes all of the events inside it. So make sure you're selecting the correct one before you continue. To begin, open Google Calendar on your computer. This process is best done from the desktop version because the full calendar management options are easier to access there. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That's where you'll find your list of calendars. In that list, locate the specific calendar you want to delete all events from. Take a moment here to double-check the calendar name, especially if you manage multiple calendars for personal, work, or shared use. Since this action affects the entire calendar, it's worth being careful before moving forward. Next, hover your mouse over the calendar name. When you do that, an options menu will appear as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the calendar menu, then choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you into the detailed settings for that particular calendar, where you can manage permissions, notifications, and removal options. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Remove Calendar. This is the area that contains the option to permanently remove the calendar and everything stored in it. When you're ready, click Delete. At that point, Google Calendar may ask you to confirm the action. Read the prompt carefully because deleting the calendar means all events in that calendar will be removed. If that's exactly what you want, go ahead and confirm. And that's it. By deleting the calendar, you've effectively deleted all events associated with it in one step. If your goal is simply to clear out one calendar completely, this is the fastest method. Just remember that this removes the calendar itself, not only the appointments inside it, so if you still need that calendar structure afterward, you may want to recreate it later. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.